Hi! In the last lesson we have made buttonholes. Let's sew button. First, we need mark points for our buttons. Just take pencil and make point. We will put buttons exactly on these points what we have here. For that we will use stitch number 4, just simple zigzag stitch. Put this number on our display. Display show us name of foot J, but for buttons, for sewing button, we will use foot M, this one. Now we need to measure distance between the holes in the button. Because machine display is in millimeter scale, I am using millimeter ruler. I have here approximately 3 millimeters. On the display, we have stitch length and stitch width. We need to set width of the stitch to 3 millimeters. Right now I have 3.5. So I will use this button, and now I have 3 millimeter size of my buttonholes. If we try put button under foot, it's not easy, because the feed dog mechanism is raised over the needle plate. Just make this surface smooth. We need use button on the back on machine, named the feed dog lever. We need move that button just like this. You have to push it really hard to lower the feed dog. Now the mechanism goes down and button moves free and easy. Now we can position the material and the button under the foot. Before start work, just try by hand both positions. It works and I can show it. This button has 4 holes, so I need to move it and make rest of them. Now check if threads need to be secured. Try to pull the threads off the button. This time threads are secured, so I just need to cut the threads. Sometimes threads are coming out not secured. In this case, just pull threads to the opposite side of the button and secure by making knots. And this we need just make knot here. Now I can cut. I can cut this thread here because when I work it, I catch this thread with a stitch and it's secured and strong. So, if we try use our buttonhole, it's easy and fast. And please don't forget put back this button and make one step by hand. Now our mechanism go back and we can do any stitches on our machine.